The beauty industry loves to tell us we can have it all. They promise us products that heal the skin while providing a flawless finish. Most of the time, those claims are just noise. We end up with a drawer full of half-baked foundations that either feel like a heavy mask or do absolutely nothing to hide a breakout. I went into testing this Skin Shield foundation with a healthy dose of skepticism. Multitasking makeup usually fails at one task or the other. It is hard to find that perfect balance. But the first thing you notice when you squeeze this out of the tube is the texture. It feels like liquid silk. It is incredibly lightweight and smooth. It does not have that immediate greasy or heavy sensation that usually signals a disaster for your pores. I applied it with a simple sponge and the results were immediate. The formula does not just sit on top of your face. It melts into the skin. It becomes part of your complexion. That is a rare quality for a product that still manages to provide real coverage. It hides redness and evens out those stubborn tones without looking like you used a trowel to apply it. You get a finish that looks like real skin. It is breathable and fresh. When you compare it to the standard drugstore brands, the difference is massive. Those cheaper options often feel chalky. They tend to settle into fine lines or turn a strange shade of orange by the middle of the afternoon. This foundation holds its own against the most expensive luxury lines. It offers that high-end performance without the staggering price tag that usually comes with it. It is a win for anyone who wants quality without the sacrifice. We should be clear about the limits, though. This is not a magic wand for a professional makeup artist working on a high-fashion editorial shoot. It is not designed to sculpt your face into a totally different shape for a dramatic runway look. If you need that level of intense theater, you might want to stick to the heavy-duty pro kits. But for those of us living in the real world, it is exactly what we need. It is for the long days at the office and the coffee dates where you just want to look like the best version of yourself. It is incredibly gentle on the skin. People with sensitive faces will appreciate that it does not cause a flare-up or leave you feeling itchy by 5 o'clock. It is a legitimate tool for a daily routine. It is not just another pretty bottle with empty marketing promises. It offers a comfortable and reliable long-wear experience. It bridges the gap between simple skincare and high-quality cosmetics. You get the confidence of clear skin and the comfort of a lightweight formula. It is a solid investment for your morning routine. You get the coverage you need and the skin protection you deserve without any of the usual drama. It is a rare find that actually does what it says on the label. It makes you feel like you are doing something good for your face instead of just covering it up. It is a relief to find a product that values performance as much as it values skin health. You can walk out the door knowing your skin looks smooth and stays protected all day long. This is how multitasking products should actually work. It simplifies your life and elevates your look without any hidden catches. This is a must for anyone tired of the heavy foundation struggle. It is makeup that finally understands what we actually want from our products.